On this week's episode of In the Kitchen with Ollie, fresh cucumber, mint, and summer berries infusion. Ingredients: add a thick slice of cucumber, the juice of half a lemon, some mint leaves, honey or syrup, then ice. I recommend adding the ice before the honey or syrup. Pour in some cold water. Shake, then blend to your liking. Add frozen mixed summer berries, sliced lemons, and ice cubes. A few thinly sliced cucumbers. Top it off with mint leaves. Pour in the blended cucumber and mint water. And to complete the drink, add lemonade, but you can also use sparkling water if you prefer. That's all there is to it. Grab a straw if you like, and enjoy this fresh and tasty cucumber, mint, and summer berries infusion. I can't get over how pretty and colorful this drink is. 10 out of 10 refreshing. It goes down a treat every time I make it. It not only looks good, it tastes incredible. As always, thank you all for watching. If you like what you see, please check out my other videos. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Please like, share with your friends and family, and subscribe. See you next week. Love you all, and God bless.